Hello guys, to carry out our project we must first cut it. Then we start to assemble what will be our shaker. The template includes the strips, but you can also do it with foam tape and you will save a lot of time, believe me. But I wanted to put some foam balls on it to simulate snow, so I did it with the strips. You can use this design to make cake toppers, ornaments for your Christmas tree, signs if you make it bigger, for cards. Anyway, your imagination is the limit. You can get the template in my Etsy store, the link is in the description. And look at this cave. Tell me if it's not super cute? Remember to glue very well so that our filling does not come out. Then we glue all the other pieces, which are going to be on top. We align the snow well at the top, guided by the bottom piece. And now we only need to glue the back piece to glue the transparent stick, if used, and thus we cover the imperfections of the glue on the strip. And it's ready guys, what do you think? Remember to subscribe and leave a like.